Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago and in today's video we are going to cover a project that is going to revolutionize AI as we know it in the crypto space. This project came from the Web 2, so this is a project with real funding, real revenue that is entering into crypto, and I see a ton of possibilities and ways to make money with this project. They are going to have an airdrop and they also have a pre-sale if you are interested. So let's go directly to the content and check everything about Antix. So Antix is a unique ecosystem that is building a platform focused on creating AI digital humans with a wide range of real-life utilities. It's an AI-based proprietary technology focusing on infinite human expression and empowerment, an AI digital human solution in the Web 3. AI trend is the most hottest trend of the current bull cycle and it's likely to stay that way. This trend has set the direction for numerous projects. AI agents became the lending narrative. So some important points about this project and why I'm so bullish right now. This is a company that worked outside of the crypto world with incredible technology and clients like HBO, Disney, Game of Thrones, FIFA and many other partnerships and products that they have been launching in top tier companies. I love this because this is a real company with real revenue, with real implications on the AI world right now, that instead of creating that in the Web 3, they already have everything on Web 2 and they are moving into Web 3. So as an investor or bullish in a project, for me it's very important. You can see how many AI projects have been appearing in 2024 on the AI ecosystem, and right now you don't hear any more about them. This case is very different. This is an established company that is entering into a new niche. So in terms of trust of the protocol, I see a ton of things about this company. You can search it for yourself, of course, do your own research, but they participate and won 2 prizes in the Hackernoon 2024. And here participated more than 15,000 projects around the world. So this is a big deal. You can search for Antix here, you will find it, and you can see that they won the position 2 here on machine learning startups, and on generative AI startups they won the position 3. So this is a big stuff, guys. This is a competition with 15,000 projects. So earning something here is very difficult and give you a lot of credibility. Some of the real work that I did, you will find it in the website, but some of the hyper-realistic AI were displayed many places in the world. Some of the things that you can see in the real world were this. So this banner is hyper-realistic and they used one of their own characters that you can see here on the banner. So this was amazing. They also posted and did works that were all around the world. And another one was this on Tokyo. So this is hyper-realistic characters, which is crazy to see. Hey guys, we partner with What Exchange, one of the greatest decentralized exchange right now in the market. I love that you can see everything on your screen at once. You can connect to What Exchange from different mainnets. And you can see here the list of hundreds of tokens. They are continuously adding more tokens each week. And What Exchange has an active airdrop. They are going to distribute 30% of the total supply, guys, into this airdrop. So that is why I am super bullish trading here too. You can see here the point section that they added recently. So you can check everything about your progress on this airdrop. And in trading, you can see how many order tokens you earn because they have this payback system from the fees that you pay. Part of that goes back to you on order tokens. So check the link on the description to join to What Exchange, trade on the platform, participate on the airdrop of the 30% of the supply, and also get some order tokens back. All the links are in the description. Another important thing that I found in my research is that they have a partner with Rack DAO. The UAE is making it easier for Web3 projects to grow by creating clear rules for DAOs, and this is impacting a lot the specific AI niche. So the UAE is really into AI. You can see partners with Trump on the last week. So being partnered with this digital asset oasis is very, very important. The company of Antix is actually, the headquarters are in Dubai, so it makes sense that they have already many partnerships there. So yeah, this partner I think is going to be very important for ecosystem expansion and adoption. And another two important points is that the team is public, so I'm going to cover a little bit about the team so you can see how transparent they are on that. And some statistics is that in 2023 the global digital human market was valued at 21.68 billion and is expected to reach 430 billion by 2031, registering an increase of 45.3% during the forecast period from 2024 to 2031. So we are talking about a huge market that is not explored yet. So going to my first point, this project reached the AI and AI agents narrative. Part of the concept is these virtual models that you can create your avatar and send it to work and get rewards on that, so get money from that, all with the Antix token that is going to be part of this ecosystem. It's going to be key part of everything that you will do on this Antix platform. So first you can research everything about the project on their website antix.in. You will find information about how they are disrupting these traditional industries with brand new technology and why this could affect really the markets that are already established, like marketing, movies, entertainment, and all those different niches. I don't know if you know this, but there are already many productions of movies done completely with AI, with this hyper-realistic style. So I will not be surprised if in 10 years, instead of trying to follow Brad Pitt or Angelina Jolie in your social media, you start following these AI representations that are famous on different Hollywood environments and marketing and all around the world. They of course have a very global client base. Here you can confirm many of the clients that I already mentioned before on the analysis. Here on the age section you can see the Avashen. These are the hyper-realistic characters that I have been told you. Here you can see many of them, so these are already part of the Antix ecosystem. So one of the things that you will be able to do is create your own avatar based on yourself, for example. So you can digitalize yourself in this hyper-realistic way or create your own avatar, post it in the marketplace. You will be able to rent it, you will be able to make it work. At some point, instead of being me here on this YouTube video, I will be able to use my twin avatar that I created here to make and do all the videos. I'm going to see you an example very soon of the CEO of Antix with a multi-language avatar of himself that you will really don't recognize that is AI. So this is a word that is coming, guys. I think marketing, these twin AI models are going to be a big thing. So that is why I am bullish on that. I don't have too much exposure to AI. That is why I started to invest on this, buying the tokens on the presale. I'm going to show you that in a bit, but before I want to really understand the project, the implications, and everything that could lead on this. So regarding the team, like I mentioned, the CEO and the team is public. You can see information about the CEO and the team on those links. Remember that all this information is in the first link of the description. So Roman Siganov is the CEO right now of Antix. You can see all his background and information here. And of course, he has their X account, so you can follow him there too if you are interested in know more about his life or everything that he does in Antix. And here Marina, this is the president and also co-founder of Antix. In her education you can see Harvard Business School and a ton of experience before. And on the token Antix page you will find more information about the rest of the team. One of the things to mention here is one of the advisors. This is Marcello Mari. And Marcello Mari, besides being an advisor on many projects that you can see here, he is one of the DAO founders of Singularity Nedd, which is a very known project on the crypto space. So you can see all the experience of their advisors here. He is partner and advisor of many crypto projects, of course, at this point. So some of the reasons that maybe you will be interested in having this token and all the integration that they have. This is a leader in the digital humans field. Like I mentioned, worked with many known companies. I didn't mention Porsche, but they worked with Porsche too. And all those are using Antix technology. And you can see that they are also working with Stranger Things and Netflix, so that is amazing. I already mentioned the booming of the market that this has from 19 billion into a 430 billion market. It's one of the most promising AI projects of 2025. And right now they still have the pre-sale open. You will find the price of the token at 9 cents, which is 34% below the TGE event that they are preparing to launch. I'm going to cover, of course, the pre-sale in detail if you are interested on buying like I did. They are going to have skyrocketing demand for this token, and you can be one of the early adopters. And of course, this brings us to AI agents and how this can impact that. So let's go and review a little bit of the tokenomics and airdrop. So this is important. There is a 2.5% for an airdrop, which is not a huge allocation for an airdrop if you are familiar with another crypto project, but a project with this magnitude, a 2.5%, anyways, it could be super valuable, more than you know around what is going to be the price of TGE event. But so far we don't have too many news about the airdrop, but it's confirming on all the documentation that I reviewed. So for the tokenomics, there's going to be a total issue of 1 billion Antix tokens. 24.5% is going to be to ecosystem growth. Seed and pre-sale, this is what is happening right now, is a 25.8% for the pre-sale. You have some community rewards at 16%, airdrop 2.5%. So even if the airdrop is 2.5%, you can see that ecosystem growth is 24% and community rewards 16% besides the airdrop. So we could have rewards from this community rewards part and also from ecosystem growth as a point. So that is not super clear. The only clarity is the airdrop of 2.5%. Then some percentage for team, advisor, KOL sales. So if you want to read more details about that, you can check it here. This is the allocation and lockups and vesting of any of these. So nothing strange on the tokenomics, is pretty standard and very good. On the documentation, of course, you can see the core token utilities that is going to be for staking, activity on the marketplace, where you are going to be able to buy, sell, also rent your digital AI twin, subscriptions, and more. Well, there's a ton of things about the utility of the token that you can read here in the documentation. There are also activity rewards that you will be able to use the token for that, besides of course governance and staking. And one thing that I really like is that they have a burning mechanism. So to reduce the inflationary pressure on the value of the Antix token, the platform will decrease the total number of available tokens through a burning mechanism. The burning event happens once a month. The burn amount will be calculated monthly and will constitute a 5% of the platform's net profit. The token burning process will be carried out in pure burning. Tokens from the net profit are directed by the platform to a special contract, after which they become unavailable for future use. So basically, from all the revenue of the company, a 5% is going to be to buy tokens and burn them. Regarding the airdrop, again, we don't have too much information, but any user of the Antix platform can participate on the airdrop. The airdrop will be determined based on the number of points the participant can accumulate. Points are accumulated according to the point system rules, including performing various platform actions. The more points a user accumulates, the more Antix tokens they can receive as part of the airdrop. They are going to be basic or special tasks, but again, all this is going to be determined. So still, it's not super clear. We are waiting for more information about the airdrop. So now let's go and check what is a pre-sale if you want to participate. I put here a bonus link. I use it also a bonus link from another user. So if you want to use this one, you are going to receive a 5% bonus on your purchase. So this time it's recommended to use it because you will get more tokens. And right now the value on the pre-sale is 34% less than the TGE event is going to be list. So it's really recommended if you want to participate. So here on the token page, you are going to see that you can put your email to receive news on the newsletter. And here you have the active pre-sale. Right now, like you can see, the actual price is 0.095 and the listing price is expected to be 0.14. At this stage, at the time of recording, you have 12 days to participate. So you can connect your wallet. This is safe. I already bought here, so connect your wallet. You will need to use some of the classic blockchains on your MetaMask. And once you are here, you are already connected with your wallet. You will see your dashboard. Like you can see, I already purchased some tokens. So what you get is this B Antix. that is going to be exactly the amount of tokens of Antix tokens that you are going to receive. So if you want, just buy with crypto, USDC, USDT or Ethereum. You will be able to use credit card soon. So for now you can use any of these tokens. So let's say you want to buy 100 tokens. This is the amount of tokens that you are going to receive. So approve and confirm. And that is basically for the pre-sale. You are going to see your B Antix here after you buy. And here you have some frequently asked questions if you have any doubt. But yeah, the cool thing about this, if you are believing on this future, on this project, is that you are already a 32% down from the TG event price. So probably you will be able to sell with some gains in the TG event if you want to do that. You can see that the claim page is going to be available after TG event. You can buy from Ethereum mainnet like I did, but you also can use BNB chain or base chain to buy. So again, I use the Ethereum mainnet, but you can connect with any of these three networks. So besides the dashboard, you have a referral section if you want. This is going to give you a 5% to any of your referees and give you also some plus for those that use your referral. So that is also part of the pre-sale. Another cool thing, guys, that I didn't mention is that at Antix they are transforming what it means to own digital asset. So this is more than just NFTs. This is an NFT passport. You don't just own a digital human, you shape it entirely. So from mimicry to voice, accessories to scripts, and even the environment. It's all yours, secured by blockchain authentication. So when you create your own custom digital hyper-realistic AI, you will be able to have your NFT passport. So when you rent it to do some publicity, for example, you will be able to see and show your ownership on it, so you will be receiving the money for that. This is a cool way to have ownership of your digital AI avatar. So guys, that will be all for this. This is an incredible project. You can participate in the token pre-sale if you want. If not, you will have to wait for the airdrop participation on the platform. So for more information, I will share, of course, all the links on my post, which is the first link of the description. So if you like this kind of project review with pre-sales or airdrops that are going to be live soon, then put your comments below, please. Don't forget to check my website, to join to my private Discord and my airdrop application. If you are behind airdrops, pre-sales or kind of projects, we talk about everything on my Discord, building a community of airdrop hunters and crypto enthusiasts with the goal, of course, to make money. So we are really focused on that and we help each other on that. So check my subscriptions. Don't forget we have some merchandising related to airdrops and crypto too on the links on the description. That will be all for this video. Before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.